Hi Mira, over here.
Hey Arjun! Good to see you. It's been so long.
Yes, really. Come, let's sit at this table. It looks comfortable.
Sure, I like this cafe. It feels calm and cozy.
Me too. I come here sometimes when I want to relax.
That's nice. So, how have you been?
I've been okay. Work is keeping me busy. What about you?
Same here. College classes and assignments are not easy.
Life is always busy, but today, let's enjoy some coffee together.
Exactly. It's so good to sit and talk after a long time. I'm really hungry. What should we order?
Let's look at the menu. Do you want coffee or juice?
I'll have a cappuccino. What about you?
I'll take an iced coffee, and maybe we can share some snacks.
Yes, how about French fries?
Perfect. Fries are always a good idea.
Okay, let's call the waiter.
Excuse me, can we order please?
Yes. Sir, what would you like?
One cappuccino, one iced coffee, and a plate of French fries, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
All right. Your order will be ready soon.
Great, thank you.
I'm excited. It's been so long since I had cafe coffee.
Same here. This will be fun.
It feels so nice to finally sit down and relax.
Yes, I agree. Whole week was very busy.
Really? What kept you busy?
Office work. I had meetings almost every day. By evening, I was so tired.
Oh, that sounds stressful. You should take breaks.
I know, what about you? How was your week?
Mine was also hectic. I had to prepare a presentation for college and it took a lot of time.
Did it go well?
Yes, thankfully my professor appreciated it, but honestly, I just wanted some rest after that.
I understand. That's why this CAF meeting is perfect. Good coffee, good company, and no stress.
Exactly, talking to a friend makes everything feel lighter.
You're right. Sometimes, even a short conversation can give so much energy.
True. That's why we should meet more often, not just once in a while.
Deal. From now on, we'll plan CAF breaks more regularly.
By the way, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. I was thinking of just resting at home.
Come on, you should do something fun.
Like what?
Maybe we could watch a movie together. There's a new one in the theater.
That sounds interesting. Which movie?
It's a comedy. I heard it's really funny.
Comedy is always good. Okay, let's do it.
Great. Saturday evening?
Works for me. After the movie, maybe we can also grab some dinner.
Perfect plan. I'm already excited.
Me too. It's nice to have something to look forward to after a long week.
Yes, life feels better when we balance work and fun.
Wow, the coffee was really good.
Yes, and the fries were so tasty too.
I think we should come here more often.
Definitely. It's such a nice place to relax.
Should we ask for the bill now?
Yes, I think so. We've been here for a while.
Excuse me, can we have the bill please?
Sure. Sir, one moment.
Let's share the bill today.
No, I invited you. I'll pay.
But that's not fair. Next time, I'm paying.
All right, next time, it's your turn.
Thanks for the treat. I really enjoyed today.
Me too. It was a great break from our busy schedules. That was nice. I really enjoyed our time today.
Me too. It felt so relaxing just to sit here and talk.
Honestly, I didn't realize how fast time went by. We've been here for more than an hour.
Really, I didn't even notice. Good company makes time fly, I guess.
Exactly. It's been a while since I laughed this much.
Same here. Sometimes a simple conversation can make the whole day better.
Yeah, and we should do this more often, just talking in class or rushing between lectures.
I agree. Life feels so busy with assignments and exams, but little breaks like this really help.
Right. Even just sharing a coffee feels special when you're with the right person.
That's sweet. Thank you for saying that.
I mean it. You're a really good friend, and I feel comfortable talking to you.
And I feel the same way. You listen, you don't judge, and that means a lot.
I guess friendship is about that listening, supporting, and making each other smile.
True. Even if life gets hard, knowing you have someone to share it with makes everything easier.
Well said. I couldn't agree more.
So, when's the next coffee plan?
Haha, soon, maybe next weekend.
Perfect, but next time, I'm paying.
No way, I'll never let that happen.
Let's see. I can be stubborn too.
Okay, deal. But today, it's my treat.
Fine, I'll let you win this time.
Good. Then let's head out. It's getting late.
All right. Thanks again for the coffee and the conversation.
Anytime. Take care and don't forget next weekend.
I won't. Bye.
Bye. See you soon.
Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope you enjoyed the conversation and learned some useful English sentences. If there are any words or sentences you don't understand, please comment below. I will reply and explain the meaning to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily English conversation videos. See you in the next lesson.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Beginner English Zone.